Hi everyone, I am Dr.A.Amudha, Assistant Professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science from Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today now we will say about the concept object-oriented programming basics. The introduction. In C++ is a special purpose programming languages. It is developed by Jarvis Toaster at the year of 1980s. The C++ program is the extension of the C. It is 90% of that all syntaxes and concept is used with your C, and the programming concept and compilation and execution, everything, it will be the same. The definition of OOPS, that is object-oriented programming, is a programming paradigm. It depends on that object and classes. That entire program it's using in object and classes. For a class is a collection of group of member variables and member function. And also they are using that encapsulating and data and behavior of a function. The main core idea of that object-oriented programming is the real-world problems are modeled. It's based on that object. It making that modular. It is reusable of the coding and easily to maintain the coding concept. And the benefits of that object is the model real-world system is effectively and promote code reusability through that inheritance concept and increasing the modularity and reducing the complexity. When you using that the OOPS concept, enhancing the maintenance and scalability. For example, based on that C++ programming with the OOPS concept, it is possible to develop a games and business application and web framework also. Application of object-oriented programming. The real-time application it's using a game development. The game development it does consist of that character, weapon and environment modeled. It is depend on the object. And game development also it's using the class concept. And every classes it's referred by through objects to refer the member variables and member object. The second real application is the web development. The frameworks using the Django, Flask and then Spring. These are all things using in your web development. Mobile applications, Android development, they're using both languages, Java and Kotlin. And the Android development, they're using that, for example, the Android Studio, they supporting the both languages Java and Kotlin. For if you're the designing part, they're using a XML language. And if you're writing a process of that application in your mobile app with the help of the two languages Java and Kotlin. Either it is you can using a Java or Kotlin. The second one is the iOS. They're using a Swift language. The next one is the data science. The data science using libraries like pandas and TensorFlow. These are it is like it's, Python programming languages. Advantages of OOPS: enhance code reusability and modularity, and simplifies complex systems through the abstraction, encouraging your collaboration in large projects, ensure the data security via encapsulation. All these advantages of your object-oriented programming, it's supporting with the help of your all the properties of your OOPS only you are achieving the advantages. The reusability of code using the concept of overloading a function or polymorphism, and modularity, it is a function concept, and through that abstraction to represent the only the essential features with the help of that object only to using that member variable and function, and finally all the data represented inside a class through using of uh, object, that is data security. The data security with help of the encapsulations only to provide the data security. And one more thing is a message passing in your OOPS concept, the message passing, the binding of your object and class with the help of the dot operator. That is one of the advantages. And flexibility coding, it's a extension of a C is a C++. Thank you.